Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fetch data by using ID in PostgreSQL database with the help of Spring Boot. So let's get started. So I have already written the code for connection as well as posting data, and if you want to watch that video you can just click on the card that is appearing on top, because in this video I'll be showing you only the fetch by ID operation. So if you're fine, let's get started now, and I'll just explain the code. This is my model which is called as person, and I'm having three data members, ID, name and email, which directly corresponds to the three columns that I have in my table. So this is the entity class, and next one is going to be the repository, just the standard stuff, the class name as well as the data type. And next is going to be the person controller. This is where I have defined the path. So I already done videos on post as well as fetch all, and here we will be adding the code for our fetch by ID also. So I'll just come here, it's going to be public, and the return type is going to be person, because here we will be returning only one object. We won't be returning like list of object like fetch all. So if I give the ID as 5, I'll be getting this fifth row. So that's a object of a class person, so only one. So we have to just have the person or the class name that you have specified there, and it's going to be get person, and here we will be passing the ID. So we will get the ID from the path. So I'll be giving that from the URL here. So for that you have to define the path first. It's going to be at get mapping, and just have a slash fetch by ID slash curly bracket. You have to specify the variable over here. So this can be anything, I'm just specifying it as ID. And next in the function it's going to be at path variable. So you have to use this annotation long ID. So you have to just have this, and next is going to be person. So basically we will be getting the object from the table person equal to person repository, the variable dot find by ID. We have to pass the ID that we're getting from the path. So or null. So in case if you are putting any ID which isn't in the table, we have to just put null over here. So if the ID is present, the data from the table will be displayed, else null will be returned. Simple. And final thing is return person. That's the code, guys. So simple. And just rerun the application now. Yeah, the application has now started, and you can just copy this path, go here. You have to have the operation as get, and you have to put none for the body, and this is going to be the path. Just change this to ID, and rather than having here ID, you need to pass a number. So in my database table I'm having numbers from 1 to 5. I'll just go with 3 for this purpose. So I'll just go here with 3. If I send it, and here you can see I'm getting the ID, name and email from the row 3. So if I go with some random number and send it, I won't be getting anything because it is null, that isn't present in a table. So this is basically how you fetch by using ID in Spring Boot and PostgreSQL. I hope you would have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of data operations using Spring Boot and Node.js in MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, as well as AI, APIs and tools tutorials. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.